uNkulunkulu uyakubonisa kuba khona izinto ozibonayo nawe ekholweni kwakho ukuthi le akukona ukwenza umuntu kodwa ukwenza uNkulunkulu. Amen bazalwane. Ngisho nomuntu obekade enokukholwa okuncane. Amen bazalwane. If ezolalela uNkulunkulu. Amen bazalwane. Ehamba la uNkulunkulu ethi akaye khona, leyo doubt leyo iyasuka, ifaith yakho iba iyaqina. Amen bazalwane. So manje siyaku character number 2, uMoses. Amen bazalwane. Sonke siyazi ukuthi uMoses by faith wahlukanisa ulwandle. Amen bazalwane. Ama-Israelites akwazi ukudlula. Amen bazalwane. So ke manje siya encwadini siya kuNumeri chapter 14. Ngizozama manje ukuthi ngizalwane babe ne doubt. Amen bazalwane. Babe nenako ukukholwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngempela njengoba ebathembisile ukuthi ubaletha kulelizwe uyabakhipha ehluphekeni. Amen bazalwane. Babe ne doubt ukuthi hayi sesifikile kodwa manje ukubuka isimo. Amen bazalwane. Sengathi manje uNkulunkulu usilethe ekufeni kwethu. Amen. So ngcono sibuyele eGibhithe. Amen. So mangabe ufunda ngizocela sivule siqale ku4 verse 4 to 10. uNumeri chapter 14.
Bathi omunye komunye masibeke induna sibele eGibhithe. Khona oMose noAaroni bawa ngobuso babo phambi kwebandla lonke lenhlangano yabantwana bakwaIsrayeli. uJoshua indodana kaNuni kaKalebi indodana kaJefuna ababephakathi kwabahlola izwe baephula izibuko zabo. Bakhuluma kuyo yonke inhlangano yabantwana bakwaIsrayeli bathi, izwe esidabula ukulihlolwa liyizwe elihle kakhulu. Uma uJehova esithanda uyakusingenisa kulelo zwe asinike lona. Izwe livame ubisi nezinyosi. Kodwa ningahlubuki kuJehova futhi ningesabi abantu balelo zwe ngokuba bayisinkwa kithi. Umthunzi wabo usukile phezu kwabo kodwa uJehova unathi. Ningesabi. Kepha inhlangano yonke yathi mabakhandwe ngamatshe. Inkazimulo kaJehova yabonakala ethendeni lokuhlangana kubo bonke abantwana bakwaIsrayeli.
Ubengicela uqhubeke mama uphele ku12.
uJehova wayesekhuluma kuMose wathi, koze kube nini laba bantu bengidelela na? Koze kube nini bengakholwa yimi ngezibonakaliso zonke engizenzileyo phakathi kwabo na? Ngiyakubashaya ngesifo, ngibaphuce ifa, ngikwenze isizwe esikhulu nesinamandla kunabo.
Amen bazalwane. So lana uNkulunkulu usekhuluma noMoses. Amen bazalwane. uNkulunkulu is now at a point ukuthi he sees ukuthi labantu laba they are stubborn. Amen bazalwane. They do not want to come to an agreement, or they do not want to get it emakhanda abo ukuthi kukhona uNkulunkulu who does great things. Amen bazalwane. Even after sebebonile sebedlulile kulokhunjani olwandle. Amen bazalwane. But still basane doubt. Amen bazalwane. You can imagine ukuthi after so many miracles. Amen bazalwane. After so many miracles, it is not easy ukuthi isimangaliso esikhulu njengokuthi kuvuleke ulwandle uvesane uthi hayi uNkulunkulu mina hayi ngiyabona nje sekuvulekile ulwandle hayi kodwa still hayi ngeke akekho lo uNkulunkulu amen bazalwane. It is mangabe usufike kuleso state leso suke sekubhedile kakhulu amen bazalwane. So lana uNkulunkulu mayekhuluma noMoses uthi he is planning to wipe out this nation and start a new generation ngayo uMoses amen bazalwane. So uMoses lapha ku verse 19 uthi ake uthethelele ububi balaba bantu ngobukhulu bomusa wakho njengalokho uyeke laba bantu kusukela eGibhithe kuze kube manje amen bazalwane. So uMoses lana he pleads for ama-Israelites ukuthi mawathole elinye ithuba amen bazalwane. Let them be given a chance amen bazalwane. So uMoses uyanqaba ukuthi babulawe amen bazalwane. Uyanqaba ukuthi ulaka lukaNkulunkulu lubehlele amen bazalwane. But instead ubacelela uxolo uNkulunkulu amen bazalwane. So ungayibuza ukuthi yini le ngenza ukuthi uMoses azame ukushintsha umqondo kaNkulunkulu amen bazalwane. Impendulo yalokho ke sithola lapha ku verse 20 uNumeri 14 verse 20 uthi uJehova wathi yebo ngiyathethelela njengezwi lakho kepha impela kuphela kwami ngenkazimulo kaJehova eyakugcwalisa wonke umhlaba. Asithi uJehova wathi yebo ngiyathethelela njengezwi lakho amen bazalwane. So ngizocela sivule sijumpe siye ku Exodus 3 verse 7 to 8 ofundeka kanje. Wayesethi uJehova ngibonile nokubona ukuhlupheka kwabantu bami abaseGibhithe ngizwile ukukhala kwabo ngenxa yabacindezeli babo ngokuba ngiyazazi izinsizi zabo ngehle ukuba ngibophule esandleni sabaseGibhithe ngibakhuphule kulelo zwe ngibayise ezweni elihle elibanzi izwe elichichima obusi nezinyosi indawo yamaKhanani neyamaHiti neyama-Amori neyamaPherizi neyamaHivi neyamaJebusi amen bazalwane. So lana uNkulunkulu ku-Exodus uthembisa ukuhlenga abantu bakhe amen bazalwane, ukuhlenga isizwe sakhe okuyisizwe saka-Israyeli. So ngayo le account lena sesingena ku-faith fact number 2 othi God's promises are more reliable than any human promise. Amen. So lana njengoba besifunda kuNumeri la abantu baka-Israyeli uNkulunkulu esebathwalile isikhathi eside kangaka sebefikela idoubt amen bazalwane, sebefuna nokuthi babuyele eGibhithe amen bazalwane. So la we see ukuthi izwi likaNkulunkulu it stands firm amen bazalwane. Ithembiso sikaNkulunkulu ngizothini zinesisindo they have more weight as compared to isithembiso somuntu amen bazalwane. Amazwi kaNkulunkulu or uNkulunkulu mayekhuluma ukhuluma kube kanye amen bazalwane bese izinto zenzeke. With that being said, siya ku character number 3 uRahab. Ngizocela sivule incwadi kaJoshua uJoshua uthuma ama-spies amen bazalwane. Lama spies lawa ahamba ke ayolala endlini kaRahab. Mawufunda u4 uthi owesifazane wayesethatha lawo madoda omabili wawathukuza wathi kunjalo amadoda afika kimi kepha ngangingazi ukuthi avelaphi. Lana kwase kufike amasosha amen bazalwane akade esazi ukuthi kukhona ama-spies amen bazalwane. So lana uRahab uthatha isinqumo sokuthi aqamba amanga, amen bazalwane. And njengoba eqamba amanga kanje ubeka impilo yakhe engcupheni, amen bazalwane. Ngoba manje uyabafihla labantu. Mangathiwa lamasosha ayathola ukuthi ufihle lama spies angabulawa, amen bazalwane. Ke manje sesiyayibuza ukuthi why would she hide the spies, amen bazalwane. So uverse 8 uthi engakalali wenyukela ku ophahleni wathi kumadoda ngiyazi ukuthi uJehova oninikile izwe nokuthi sehlelwe ngokunesaba nokuthi bonke abakhileyo ezweni baphela amandla phambi kwenu ngokuba sizwile ukuthi uJehova womisa amanzi olwandle olubomvu phambi kwenu ekuphumeni kwenu eGibhithe nokuthi ekuphumeni kwenu eGibhithe nokuthi wenzani ko amakhosi amabili ama-Amori ayengaphesheya kweJordani oSihoni no-Ogi. Lana bazalwane uRahab did not have a personal relationship noNkulunkulu, amen bazalwane. uNkulunkulu wayezwa ngaye through ama-rumors, amen bazalwane. She hardly knew God, but she still exercised faith, amen bazalwane. Even though wayengenayo this personal relationship noNkulunkulu, amen bazalwane. But by hearing and witnessing imisebenzi eyenziwa uNkulunkulu, amen bazalwane, she had faith, amen bazalwane. So now sesingena ku faith fact number 3. Othi remember the character and reputation of God. Act on God's character, not your feelings, amen bazalwane. So lana uRahab, she acted on i-character kaNkulunkulu, amen bazalwane. And i-character kaNkulunkulu siyithola kuJeremiah 29 verse 11, amen bazalwane. Okuyilizwi ejwayelekile ukuthi the plans of the Lord are for us to prosper but not to harm us, amen bazalwane. uRahab lana, she looked at i-character kaNkulunkulu, amen bazalwane, and i-reputation kaNkulunkulu. At the time i-reputation kaNkulunkulu yayivela kwama-Israelites, amen bazalwane, ukuthi he parted the Red Sea, amen bazalwane. So lana the act of faith ya Rahab is remembering the character and the reputation kaNkulunkulu. So kumele uact on i-character kaNkulunkulu and not on ama-feelings wakho ukuthi wena uzizwa kanjani at the moment, amen bazalwane. Sesiphumile-ke kwi-Old Testament, sesiya kwi-New manje, sesingena character number 4, the bleeding woman, esimthola encwadini kaMark chapter 5. So qala lapha sofunda uverse 26. Yeah, Mark chapter 5 verse 26. She had suffered a great deal under the care of many doctors and had spent all she had. Yet instead of getting better, she grew worse. When she heard about Jesus, she came up behind him in the crowd and touched his cloak. Because she thought, if I just touch his clothes, I will be healed. Immediately her bleeding stopped and she felt in her body that she was freed from her suffering. So 26 to 29.
Ehluphekile ngokuningi ezinyangeni eziningi, echithile konke ayenakho, engasizakalanga ngalutho, Kodwa kwayilokhu kuqhubeka. Esezwile ngoJesu weza esixukwini ngasemuva wathinta ingubo yakhe ngokuba wathi uma ngingathinta nje ingubo zakhe ngizakusindiswa. Kwanqamuka masinyane umthombo wegazi lakhe wezwa emzimbeni ukuthi uphulukile enhluphekweni yakhe.
Amen basalwane. Lana sithola owesifazane owayopha for 12 years. Amen basalwane. So la lisizwi wayesehambile odokotela abaningi. Amen basalwane. Esephelela nayimali. Amen basalwane. Ngiyacabanga nje ukuthi wayesefike she was now on her last stroke. Amen basalwane, or her last strike. Esebona manje ukuthi akusahlangani odokotela bahambile bonke bazama imilingo abayizamayo kodwa akulungi. Amen basalwane. But what if I just touch his clothes I'll be healed. Amen basalwane. Ke lana into esijwayele ukuyeqa kuleli izwi leli masilifunda ilaphana ku-31. Ngizoqala nje lapha ku-31 lana uJesu ethi khona abafundi bakhe bathi kuye uyabona isixuku siwucindezela usuthi ngubani okuthintileyo na. Amen bazalwane. Lana uJesu, he felt the healing power. Amen bazalwane. He felt healing power iphuma. Amen bazalwane. Wayesebuza ukuthi ubani omthintile. Amen bazalwane. So lana into esitholayo or a hidden detail is ukuthi abantu babe baningi. Amen bazalwane, bemthinta abantu. You can imagine nje ukuthi indlela okwagcwele ngayo lo mama wayeselwela nje ukuthi athinte umphetho wengubo yakhe. Amen bazalwane. Abantu babemsurroundile uJesu kugcwele. Amen bazalwane. So you can imagine ukuthi labantu laba bonke aba around uJesu bayamthinta. Amen bazalwane. But umehluko phakathi kwalabantu nalomama ukuthi after lo mama esithinte umphetho wengubo kaJesu, uJesu felt the healing power leave. Okusho ukuthi ukukholwa kwakhe activated healing. Amen bazalwane. Laba ababekhona around uJesu, they wanted a healing, but ukumthinta kwabo did not help. Amen bazalwane. So now looking at umphetho wengubo. Amen bazalwane, the tassels. But Jesus kept looking around to see who had done it. Then the woman, knowing what had happened to her, came and fell at his feet, and trembling with fear, told him the whole truth. He said to her, "Daughter, your faith has healed you. Go in peace and be freed from your suffering." Amen bazalwane. So manje sesibuyela back to incwadi kaNomeri chapter 15. Amen bazalwane. So qala nje lapha ku-37 othi tassels on garments. The Lord said to Moses, "Speak to the Israelites and say to them, throughout the generations to come are to make tassels on the corners of your garments with a blue cord on each tassel. You'll have these tassels to look at, and so you'll remember all the commands of the Lord, that you may obey them and not prostitute yourself by chasing after the lust of your own hearts and eyes. Then you will remember to obey all my commands and be consecrated to your God. I am the Lord your God who brought you out of Egypt to be your God. I am the Lord your God. Bese sijambe to incwadi kaMalaki chapter 4 verse 2 othi, but for you who revere my name, the Son of Righteousness will rise with healing in its rays, and you will go out and frolic like well-fed calves. Amen. Bazalwane. Ngicela nje ningifundele ngesizulu uMalaki 4 verse 2.
Kepha kinina enilesabayo igama lami, kuyakuphuma ilanga lokulunga linokuphilisa emaphikweni alo, niyakuphuma nitshekule njengamathole esibaya.
Amen. Bazalwane. So lana in these two books, we get ama-tassels, amen bazalwane, and we get amaphiko, amen bazalwane. So ama-tassels lawa ayisengubeni kaJesu, amen bazalwane, they also represent amaphiko, amen bazalwane, okuyiwona lawo that bring about healing, amen bazalwane. So now NLT, but for you who fear my name, the Son of Righteousness will rise with healing in his wings. Amen. So healing was in ama wings, which is ama tassels. I say in Govinda Jesus. Amen. Amen. So lana going to the faith fact number 4. If God has spoken something, the impossible becomes possible. Amen. Many people touched the garment, but only one received the healing power from touching the garment. Amen. Amen. So lana, if God has spoken something, the impossible becomes possible. Amen. Amen. Looking at incwadi kaMalaki lana itikona, but for you who fear my name, the Son of Righteousness will rise with healing in his wings. Amen. Bazalwane. Lo mama lona kahle kahle ngenkathi ethinta umphetho wengubo kaJesu wayenza izwi, which is uMalaki 4 verse 2. What it is, healing in his wings. Amen. Bazalwane. Ama wings lana are the tassels, which is umphetho wengubo kaJesu. Amen bazalwane. Yena, she obeyed the word. Amen bazalwane. And by obeying the word, she activated faith. Amen bazalwane. So now the faith equation is ukuthi uNkulunkulu does the impossible. Amen. Thina as abantwana bakaNkulunkulu, we believe the impossible. Amen bazalwane. Ifaith ukholwa akugona ukuzitshela ukuthi uyakwazi ukwenza okungenzeki. Amen bazalwane. But ukholele ekuthenini okungenzeki sekwenzekile. Amen. Through uJesu Kristu. Amen bazalwane. So example engabeka ngayo lana, it's the last faith hero, Amen bazalwane, which was a very powerful man of God, but at the same time an enemy of God. Manje sesiya ku Matthew 8. Verse 5 to 7.
Bathi esangena eKapernaum, kweza kuye induna yekhulu yamncenga yathi Nkosi umfana wami ulele endlini ufe uhlangothi ukhwelwe kakhulu ngobuhlungu wathi kuyo mina ngizakuza ngimphulukise induna yekhulu yaphendula yathi Nkosi akufanele ukuba ungene phansi kophahla lwami kepha yisho izwi nje khona umfana wami uyakusinda.
Amen basilwane. Amen. Sesingena ku faith fact number 5. Othi faith comes from confidence in God's authority. Amen basilwane. So lana induna yathi uma ifika kuJesu